So we have the switches down here, right there. So these switches connect directly to the pfSense box, and if you're having internet problems, you want to turn everything off. If you're not really sure what's going on and all the troubleshooting steps that I gave you weren't working, turn everything off, turn everything on one by one. Start with the cable modem, do the reset there, then turn on the pfSense, make sure that's up. Once the pfSense is up, then you start looking at all this stuff. Now the reason why the internet wasn't working was because that pfSense box was frozen when it tried to reboot. So nobody knew that. Now you guys know what it looks like when it's frozen. So now you know, hey, let's just reset the router that got frozen up and maybe we'll get internet, right?
Magic.
Okay, it's magic. But the second thing is that if that pfSense box gets frozen up, then these switches act as like the main internet. So like they're connected, all the computers are connected to this, and they think that this is the router, but it's not. So you have to basically turn this off, turn it back on after those two things are on first, and then all of these devices will be able to pull an address. But the thing is, if you don't reset the actual computers that you're using, then you want to do a IP config release renew, and that will basically get your internet back. So yeah, case in point, you already did a video on this.